Sir, clarify lang namin yung sagot niyo po doon sa lifestyle check kasi ang qualified po yung sagot kanina ni PJ Epong, dapat daw po, baka i-review yung batas, 6770, para maayos yung lifestyle check. Pero sa tingin niyo po ba, matagal po kayo sa ombudsman, enough na po ba ang 6770 sa kayo nasa provision ng 1987 Constitution to conduct lifestyle check ang ombudsman?
I think sufficient na po siya kasi ang nakalagay naman, I think it's section 11 ng 6770 is that may power ang ombudsman to investigate and initiate proceedings for an ill-gotten wealth or unlawfully acquired wealth that were amassed after February of 1986. So, 86 onwards, pwedeng may function ang ombudsman. And also, may power din kasi ang government. Although it's a very old law, yung forfeiture proceedings, Republic Act 1379, pwede i-forfeit ng government in its favor yung mga unlawfully acquired wealth ng public officials. So I think pwede, it's sufficient basis for the ombudsman to initiate lifestyle check.
So there's no need to put po yung actual wording na, lifestyle check. Kasi obvious na po yun.
When you conduct lifestyle check, you investigate. And so, merong power to investigate. So, I think it's sufficient.
Just a follow-up for me, Commissioner. Yung sinabi po kasi under Ombudsman Martires, tinanggal niya po yung pagla-lifestyle check ng Field Investigation Office po.
Yes.
So, if ever po ba na mapili kayong ombudsman, will you issue a memorandum reversing that order? Magpapa-lifestyle check po ba kayo ulit?
Hindi ko maalala if there was an order, a memorandum to that effect. So kung wala naman, we'll just continue. We'll just conduct lifestyle check kung mayroong mga complaints for lifestyle check na i-file with the office.
So ibabalik po sa inyo.
Tingin niyo ba pati yung family members, dapat ba mag-extend din sa kanila yung lifestyle check? Kasi like for example ngayon, yung mga nai-issue ng mga flood control projects and yung mga anak na publicly pinoflaunt yung kanilang lavish lifestyle. Dapat ba kasama rin sila doon?
Well, that would all depend doon sa evidence na makukuha natin. If transfer doon sa mga anak, sa kapamilya, sa asawa, yung illegally acquired wealth, then masasama sila. Because ang ano lang na titingnan natin dito is yung kanila bang kayamanan is commensurate doon sa sweldo na tinatanggap nila or kung meron man silang mga negosyo, kaya ba itong ma-acquire through. Basta ang importante dyan is, was it acquired through lawful means?
Just a follow-up from Camille's question, sir. Yung enabling laws ba natin on forfeiture sa kayo sa investigation ng ill-gotten wealth under 6770, originally covered ba talaga nun yung mga family members if merong evidence?
Yes, kasama yung family members. Even yung forfeiture, it is a 1955 law, yung RA 1379, nakalagay na doon, nakasama yung family members.
Okay, Sal-En, sir, so bubuksan niyo ba sa media yung pag-release ng Sal-En?
If ever I'll get appointed, I'll revisit yung administrative order that was issued by Ombudsman.
Good afternoon, Your Honors. The second one.